Repetitively buying business cards just so others can lose them or throw them away is a thing of the past, because today we're setting up my new NFC business card from Social Master, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to easily set up your card too. Cut open the package, and inside you can find your user manual, as well as your NFC business card. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It uses a transfer technology similar to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This allows other devices to receive information from your card. Just hover your phone over the card, and your phone will pop up an option to open a link. Now mine is already set up, so when you hit open link, you'll see our home page. You can add us as a contact, click one of our playlists to view our different videos, or visit our social through the buttons on the bottom. Now I keep my business card in my wallet, pop it out whenever it comes up in conversation, and allow others to easily find our platforms on their social media of choice. I used to keep about 20 business cards on me to hand out when I needed to. This made my wallet fat, and I doubt much came of the cards I handed out. So with this minimalist design, I only have to carry one card on me. And running a marketing platform for unique products, this is a fun conversation starter. Now if you'd like to set up your own business card, all you have to do is download the Social Master app. Here, you can upload your logo, add your personal information, select different featured links, and for us, we put links to our playlists. And then at the bottom, you can even connect socials. After you get it set up the way you like, you can click the drop-down menu and select Activate Card. Then hover your phone over your card, and the card connects to your account. Now whenever someone places their phone on your card, they will arrive at your landing page. Here they can directly subscribe to your socials and view what you want them to. This is perfect for any company with a digital presence. I know I love not having to keep ordering new cards and keep multiple in my wallet for those just-in-case moments. So if you're looking for a smarter solution to business cards, one that appeals to the technological age, one that's less wasteful and memorable, this NFC business card from Social Master might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go update my business cards landing page. See ya!